Hello, you're watching Proactive. Here's a look at some of the small cap company news we've been covering over the past week. Chesnara saw operating capital generation jump 79% to £96 million in the first half. CEO Steve Murray also highlighted the group's 185% solvency coverage ratio and an active acquisition pipeline.
That gives us a lot of flexibility in terms of our ability to go after acquisitions. And because we've got this great track record over the last 5 years, 8 deals done, we think that sellers, when they're looking at Chesnara, know that we're an organisation that they can have a lot of confidence that they can get deals done with. So all of that feels like it's in a really good space.
Solvonis Therapeutics has raised £1.3 million to push forward its CNS drug pipeline. That includes trials for alcohol use disorder and addiction treatments.
In the US, there's strong tailwinds for the CNS psychedelics and psychedelic adjacent industry. Eli Lilly, the largest and most valuable pharma company in the world, acquired a former peer company of ours, Atai for $3.8 billion all in. So that is very encouraging for us and validates what we're doing as a company.
hVIVO has bought CRS Berlin to expand into dermatology and women's health trials. The CEO says it opens up new markets and cross-selling opportunities in Germany.
In addition, of course, it gives us access to a potential patient population of around 6 million in the metropolitan Berlin area. So for us, it does create new markets as well as giving us new cross-selling opportunities.
Gelion has completed drone battery testing with QinetiQ on its sulfur cathode material. Cells showed barely any degradation even after 50 aggressive test cycles.
These results demonstrate that lithium sulfur cells containing our NES cathode material can deliver the stable cycling and strong high power performance that is required by drone mission profiles, and importantly can do so durably.
Tertiary Minerals is expecting a strong flow of assay results over the coming weeks at Mushima North in Zambia. Those results should feed into a maiden resource estimate by year end.
We're expecting the assay results coming back. We've been submitting the drill samples on a regular basis throughout the drill program, and we should be expecting the first set of those results coming back very shortly. The last batch submitted was at the end of the drill program, so we've got a good news flow now of assay results from the lab essentially from the next week or so over the next month or so. So a really exciting time.
Iofina is ramping up iodine production at its IO11 plant with a new brine source. Its next plant, IO12, should be online before the end of the quarter.
And for us, it's setting these ambitious goals and delivering. And I think we've proven over the last number of years that we can deliver. We've delivered here at IO11 here, which we announced today. We're going to deliver at IO12. And so now for us to go to the next level for us to get from the 1,000 to 2,000 metric tons, we need to deliver even further.
Follow us and subscribe on YouTube, our social channels, and on proactiveinvestors.co.uk.